Thank you for watching this video. The IUPUI CyberLab is a sponsor of this year's Assessment Institute Conference. The CyberLab at Indiana University, Purdue University, Indianapolis is a research and development and entrepreneurship lab that develops and commercializes educational technology solutions, like course networking. The lab provides research and intellectual support for the design, development, and implementation of innovative educational technology. It also builds connections between the university and industries to transfer research outcomes into practice. Since it was founded in 1996, the CyberLab has conceptualized, developed, and commercialized a series of successful projects, including OnCourse, which later became Sakai, Angel Learning, Epsiling, and now Course Networking, or the CN. Course networking is a next-generation learning platform that combines social, global, and engaging learning with traditional course management features, personally branded ePortfolio, and networking all into one platform. The CN product line includes the CN LMS, ePortfolio, CN LTI, and Rumi. The ePortfolio tool on CN is built to be a personally branded web page for users to house their learning evidence, achievements, work experience, certificates, badges, recommendations, documents, and more. The CN LMS allows instructors to easily create courses, engage students in social discussion, award badges or certificates, and more. CN Social is an LTI plugin tool that brings legacy LMS like Canvas or Blackboard to life with social discussion, badges, ePortfolio, gamification, and more. Lastly, Rumi is an AI-based agent that leverages machine learning to recommend jobs, communities, and networking opportunities to CN users. To see these products in action, watch the Course Networking Vendor video. Want to know more about the IUPUI CyberLab and Course Networking? Join our presentations during the Assessment Institute on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as our guests discuss the IUPUI implementation of ePortfolio and the use of CN for a virtual exchange program, as well as demos of the CN products.